This one psychological trick increased my clients' ad CTR by 847% in just 3 days. Most marketers completely ignore this, but it's the secret behind every viral video and high-converting ad.
Hey guys, and welcome to Vlad's Insights, where each day I share one valuable insight from my vast collection of 400 plus videos. It's called Pattern Interrupt. The moment you break someone's expected flow. Think about it. You're scrolling, then bam! Something completely unexpected stops you dead in your tracks. In SEO, it's the headline that makes you think, wait, what? In ads, it's the visual that doesn't match what you expect. In videos, it's that moment that makes viewers rewind. Your brain literally can't ignore it because it violates your predictions. So here's what you do. Start your next ad with something that contradicts the viewer's assumption, use unexpected visuals in your thumbnails, and break the fourth wall in your videos. Check out my Words at Scale school community where I share all of my personal SEO ranking secrets and copywriting workflows that